Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and quick little short video of my everyday makeup routine. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get on with the video. So I'm going to start off by using my Sukan facial moisturizer. So all the time use this moisturizer right before I put on my foundation. So I'm just going to massage it into my skin. So now I'm just going in with my CoverGirl Luminous foundation. So what I do, I just put 2 pumps on my hand and I will just grab my foundation brush, and now I'm just going to dab it on my forehead, cheeks and on my chin, and I will just grab my beauty blender out, and I will just blend it out with the beauty blender. So that way it's just easier for me and it gives like a really full coverage. So now I've got my beauty blender. I'm just going to evenly massage it into my skin, make sure that it gives like a good coverage. That's what you want. So the next thing I'm using is my camouflage concealer. So I just put it under my eyes, on my T-zone, around my nose, on my chin as well, and just on above my jawline where I've got most of my acne scars. So now the next step is I'm using my beauty blender just to blend out all of my concealer. So now I'm just going in with my mattifying powder. So I'm just using my Revlon stripling brush, I think it's called. So I'm just going to be brushing that all over my face where I've applied my foundation and my concealer. So with my eyebrows, I'm not going to be filling them in. I'm just going straight into my bronzer. I got my eyebrows tinted not long before, so I'm not going to be filling them in because they're already like a little bit darker than usual, so I thought I might just leave it and just go straight into my bronzer. So I'm just using my bronzer, I think it's by Maybelline, I'm pretty sure, and I'm using my Real Techniques bronzer blending brush, as I call it. So I usually just use this brush for my bronzer, so it works perfectly, blends in really well. So now I'm just going in with my L'Oreal LA Palette Nude with my Real Techniques eyeshadow blending brush, I think it is called, or I usually use it just for blending in my eyeshadow. So in this video I'm just going to be using only just the 2 colors. So I'm just going to be using this color first. So I'm just going to be using that for my base. So for the second color, I'm just going in with the 4th color on the palette. It's sort of like a little bit of a darker color than the first one, so just give it a little more color into my eyes. So now I'm going in and doing my eyelashes now. So I'm going to be using my manicure eyelash curler, I kind of need to use like two hands to curl my eyelashes. It's a bit hard just to do one-handed, so. So now I'm going in with my mascara. So I'm using the mascara by Rimmel. It's got argan oil in it, so I like using this one. It's really good, brings out my eyelashes really well. So I've been using this one for about 1 or 2 years now, so yeah. Can I just say, while you're doing your mascara, don't you just hate it when you get like mascara like in the wrong place and you have to like try and get it off without ruining your makeup? That's like the worst thing. So now I'm going in with my Silky Touch blush by Essence, and I'm using my Real Techniques blush brush as well. So I really like this colour. It's sort of like a peachy sort of pinkish colour. It's not too bright, so it's just perfect if you don't want to have your blush like stand out that much. I only do like a few dabs on there. I don't want to like make it fully stand out like I'm just wearing blush. So for this step, I'm going back into my eyeshadow palette which I used before, and I'm just using the first eyeshadow on my palette. So I'm going to be using this for the highlighter. I really like using this one. It's like really good for standing out. So I just put that on under my eyebrows and on the top of my cheekbones, on my nose, and on the bridge of my lips as well. So the last step now is I'm going in with my Essence lip color. So this is the perfect like lip color for me. It's like pinkish, like light pinkish. It's the best. I use it all the time. It really like makes the makeup look really complete and it looks so good. So this is the final look now, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.